Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandria and today we're doing our 4th Valentine's Day look. If you're new to the channel, let me quickly introduce myself. If you've been a subscriber, welcome back to the video. My name is Alexandria. I also go by Alex. I'm a beauty creator here on YouTube. I have a fashion blog and a wrestling podcast. If you're interested in any of those stuff, go ahead and check below. Alright, so today I really wanted to focus on creating this last look because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be able to squeeze in another look for Valentine's Day, but I wanted to give you guys another look so you could have more ideas and different ideas what you could do for Valentine's Day. So I worked with 2 palettes and I worked with using pinks and reds and a little bit of brown, but I mostly focus on pink and red because just of Valentine's Day. But I'm going to show you the palettes, but like I always say in my videos, you don't have to have the palettes to create these looks. If you have similar shades or shades that you want to work with, you can go ahead and follow the video along and let's work together on creating this look. All right, so the 2 palettes here are Bretman Rocks palette that he did with Wet n Wild, and the other one is Rude the City of Neon Lights. I really love this palette. I've been really gravitating to it a lot. I use it a lot in most of my tutorials, especially for the bright neon colors it has here. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys so you can see an idea of what this palette has. So these are very beautiful neon colors. I love the pigmentation in this palette. It's very blendable, and I really enjoyed using this. And this is a really, like I said, a go-to when I'm using any colors. I'll show you the other palette just in case if you haven't seen it. I have a tutorial on this. If you're interested, I'll definitely, let me flip it around. I'll link it below if you want to see it. But here it is. Also beautiful colors, great pigmentation, blends nicely. And the color, the glitter that I use right here in the lid, it's from ColourPop. So this is it. And this is from the Sailor Moon's collection. If you have it, go ahead and grab it because this is what I use. If you don't, any glitter pot works perfectly fine for this video. So I'm going to grab a little bit here on the lid. It has pink glitter, silver, and white glitter. So I'm going to add it on top of this one and see, hopefully you can see it has a beautiful glitter of, like, the glitter is really beautiful here. So those are the colors that are here in this pod. I'm going to show it. Hopefully the camera will pick it up, but let's see if I could adjust the light and maybe you could see the color itself. So pretty. It just great. I just like to use these a lot because it has that sort of like sticky consistency, and it's easier for me to grab it with the brush and just apply it on the lid and control where is it going, not going all over the place. And some glitter pots tends to do that when you're just trying to focus it on a certain place, but this has, since it has that stickiness, it allows me to just go ahead and put it exactly where I want it on my eyes. So yeah, so that's what I link below, and even including the foundation. So anything you're interested of checking will be below, so go ahead and check that out after the video if you're interested in. So I have a new hair color. I went ahead and changed it. If you're new to the channel, this is a new color for you, but if you've been following me for a minute, green is a signature color, as many of us know who's been following me. I went back. I'm kind of excited to be back. My hairstylist Lisette did a fantastic job on the green. So yeah, I'm excited to be back with the color. So you're going to see more of the green in the videos. But yeah, I just wanted to give a little quick shout out to Lisette, who did the color for me. She always does a fantastic job with it. Yeah, so if you like what you saw in this video and you like the tutorial, go ahead and hit the like and leave me a comment below and let me know what you're doing for Valentine's Day. I would love to see what anybody is doing. Even if you're gonna do something at home, I would love to know exactly what you're doing. But if you end up doing something, just let me know. And go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy what you saw. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. All right, guys. Bye. I begin to everyone, I really wanted to come quickly to give you guys a little voiceover during the video. I want to see how you guys are liking the video so far. I changed the format a little bit like the other one. I just been showing you guys working on one eye. If you're liking that, please let me know in the comments below. I'll continue doing so. But if you're looking for a different style of videos, I could definitely try it. Just let me know, because I will definitely do it for you guys. And also, I'm getting requests for hair tutorials. You have to give me a minute, because it's a little harder, because my ring light is in my room, so I will have to bring it from the room to the bathroom, so it's a little harder. So I'm trying to figure out how to do it, because I know I'm getting some requests over it. And I don't want to fail you guys when it comes to their hair tutorials, because I did get quite a few questions of how I do certain hairstyles. And I definitely want to do that for you guys. But just give me a minute. I'm just trying to think what to do. I'm really thinking about getting a small ring light and just putting it in the bathroom, so we could actually do these hair looks that you were asking from me. But yeah, so go ahead and let me know what you think, and I'm gonna let you guys get back into the video. All right, guys, thanks.